Yo, whoa! How's it going, YouTube? A special announcement. I got me something from the company themselves. YouTube just sent me this, and if you have the ability to read, you can see it right there. Totally from YouTube. Yeah, that's not misspelled at all. It's not misspelled. Let's see what they sent me. This is going to be awesome sauce. What is it? Oh my god! They sent me the paper play button! Oh my god, they must have found out that it's for my 10 subscriber special! Oh my god, that is awesome! This is going in my bedroom directly on the mirror. Thanks a ton, YouTube! That is the best thing you could have given me for a small YouTube channel such as myself. Alright, in all seriousness, this is a special announcement. I would very much like to thank all 10 of you. Well, actually, it's 11 now because of the time of me uploading this video, which was around the same time where I finished making this terrible thing known as the paper play button. I'm still gonna set this up in my room though, just as a reminder. But someone else actually subscribed to my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Despite the fact they have like what, 71 more subscribers than I do, but that doesn't really matter. I'll be up there one day. I know I will. But yeah, for something special, I'm gonna be playing you guys some Outlast, but I'm not gonna be playing it this time because I'm a pussy. Yeah. I'm actually going to. This is actually gonna take me 2 days to record for once. Normally, when it takes a long time for me to upload a video, it's because I'm recording it like prior. I'm recording it prior to the day that I'm going to have it uploaded, and it takes me just a while to edit it. So I'm just going to do this, or I'm not gonna wimp out and just play the freaking game because it's like 9 o'clock at night here in the Chi-Town, and I am not. I'm black, okay? I don't like scary things. I really don't. But I'll do it for you guys. 10 of you subscribe to me. 90% is probably that 11-second video that I made that got like so much more views than my gaming videos. But I'll do it for you guys, all 11 of you. And for the 2 of you that clicked on this channel by accident, thank you. And with that, Alpha Wolf is going to be in the next portion of the video. And just like that, Alpha Wolf is back, baby. As you can see, I'm wearing the fedora, my anti-fear fedora, and I don't know who I'm kidding. I'm stalling right now. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon where I am on a Saturday, and I'm regretting my life choices right now, especially considering the fact that I have not used the bathroom yet. So of course I did start it already, and I got the absolute oh, my dad's not here. I got the absolute shit scared out of me. Oh my god. And I stopped playing like a pussy would do. So, I'm going to see how well I can take playing this game alone in the freaking house on this portion of the freaking thing. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. No idea what to do. I'm already freaking scared. Who's there? Oh my god. How do I gotta go to the control. No, I don't want to show tutorials. Where's the controller options? Darn it, I can't find a controller configuration. No, I don't want to know nightmare. No, I don't want to return to the game. Oh my god. Okay. Zoom in, zoom out. There it is. Where's the light? Where's the light? I can't find the light. Oh my god, toggle camcorder, toggle night vision, there we go. Okay, so it's... Oh my god. Oh my god. I really don't want to be playing this game, guys. Come on, please. Please. I'm doing this for you guys.
if I remember correctly. Okay. Just gonna wait. Just... This might just be a 10... I think I'm gonna make this just a 10-minute video. Oh my god, he's in the room. Oh, can I peek? Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, if I just go slow. Where is he? Where is he? Why doesn't the freaking journalist have a... There he is, he's up there. Does he see me? Oh, that is the world's... That has got to be the world's squeakiest door. Oh my god, why would you slam it? Get the bed, get the bed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Black people don't do scary things, guys. Black people don't. Please, oh my god, please. Oh no, he's gonna come to bed, isn't he? This is 100% scary, guys. This is not a fake reaction. I guarantee you that. I'm legitimately scared. I want... Oh my god, my battery's about to die. Oh no, go down. Please don't be a jump scare anywhere. Oh my god, there's a fucking light. Whenever the music gets like that. Oh my god, why am I only at 5 minutes? It feels like I've been playing this for an eternity. Okay, so reload the battery and turn it off. I'm just gonna do the flicker tactic, everyone. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, I'm so quiet. Can I stand? This is only gonna be a 10-minute session. This is only gonna be 10 minutes of you gaming. I don't wanna do this. I really don't wanna do this. Oh my god. The man hanging upside down there. Where is he? I can't see him. Isn't this the way I came? can't I? Oh, it's A. Is this the way I just came? It's only, oh my god. There's something behind this door. I know it. Oh, it's just back upstairs. Never mind. Sorry guys, I accidentally on purpose wasted so much time. Check my time. Oh, fuck it, run. Run, I'm black, I can outrun him. I feel like I'm gonna pause it right here, and oh my god, I'm gonna stop, take a quick break, and then I'm gonna come back in a different hat, and not needing to pee. Okay, I'm back. So, why is that the first noise I hear when I come back? Why was I expecting something? Okay. Hide. I'm genuinely terrified right now. I kid you not. I'm scared. Why am I doing this? I'm only gonna get like 5 views. At best, I'm gonna get 5 views on this. Cheap YouTube setup trying to play freaking horror games for this. He's coming in! He broke the door down! No. Oh no, no, please, don't come at the second one, please. There was no pooty tag in there. I thought I saw a putty tag. Not a putty tag. I'm just a putty. I ain't ready. Oh, no, pick up the battery. Oh my god, that did not just happen. I wasted a battery. How do I restart my freaking progress? Why didn't I just freaking hurry up and download Zombie so I can play that as my freaking 10 subscriber special? I'm not ready, you guys. It's the damn music! Okay, just flicker. I saw a footstep. I saw a footstep down there. How'd he get over that so quick? Oh, he used the door. Oh my god. I'm gonna put like the creepiest music over this. Just you watch. All of you mocking me, because I hear you mocking me, all 11 of you. All of you mocking me, I'm gonna put like some super suspenseful, scary music. And I'm gonna do like what Vanhouse Gaming does and have like a super sudden pop-up come out whenever I see that guy. Oh, why can't I open the door? Okay, will he see me if I stand perfectly still? No! No, just run. Ah, just run! Run! I don't know how do I evade it? How do I get away from him? I'm scared. He has the freaking dirty dance stick. He had the big spot that we using when he was saying I'm dirty Dan. He has a freaking giant bat with a nail in it. I'm scared. Guys, I'm scared. Help me. Help me. Everyone in the comment section, help me. I'm just running in circles. I can't. Get up! How do I get in? How do I get in? Oh my god, he's on my ass. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. I'm dead. Even my controller is shaking from fear. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. How do I get out of here? At least I'm not being chased by him anymore. How do I go back upstairs? I don't know where to go. That fan. The fan just scared me. I got jump scared by the fan. Oh my god. I swear to god, if I'm not recording this, okay, I'm recording. I'm gonna be YouTube famous, boy. Hey guys, it's It's random Dahi Denobla voice here, and today I'm here in this haunted hospital. Yeah, I'm going to be, I'm doing this for the views, I'm doing this for views. I sound nothing like Dahi Denobla. I'm just some retard. I'm just some retard that's trying to get views on YouTube. I swear to God, these are the squeakiest doors in the world. Okay. Is it just me, or does the camera kind of make the light worse? Like, it kind of makes things everything a little darker. Okay, my first objective is to get out of this little thing. I'm gonna watch a YouTube tutorial on how to get out of this thing. Oh, here we go. Yeah! I did it! Hope you enjoy. I'm just gonna, do the ting. Oh my god, you guys really don't understand my struggle at the moment. I have to rewatch it. Wait, isn't the big guy? There he is. Nope, 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 nope. There's the exit. Let me get out of here. What's my objective? What's my objective? Return to security to unlock the main doors. I'm inside. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. The friggin' Mount Massive Big Guy. AKA the guy who scared the ever-living crap out of me. That guy's T-posed over there. Bloody footsteps. How to survive a horror movie. Always check the rooms and just make a beeline for the exit. Nope, no. Darn it, I did it again. I got my freaking controls confused. Oh, big guy. Oh no! Who did it?
Sorry, my son. I didn't want to have to do this to you. But you can't leave. Not yet. There is so much yet for you to witness.
No. No.
Will you see it? Can you? Our Lord, the Wall Rider, tearing his truth into the unbelievers.
Oh my god,
The only way out of this place is
No,
the truth.
no, you better run.
Accept the gospel, and all doors will open before you.
What? Oh my god. To be honest, I slightly saw that coming, but at the same time, it still scared me. I have goosebumps right now. Is this it? Is this the end? I really don't want to play this game anymore. I really don't want to. This game, it's torturing me. I keep forgetting I gotta look right here, because that's where my camera is, not at the freaking... Wait, what did it say? What am I hiding from? I disappear. I don't exist. No one's in this room. I know you're gonna pop out the second I come out. I'm just gonna wait here. I hear them. I hear it. And there's an Outlast 2 game now. I'm not getting that game. I'm really not. I don't even want to. I'm I'm scared. The sun's going down. It's almost time for me to not play this anymore. If I don't find, oh my God, if I can't sync this up, I swear to God. What's that? Hey.
They shouldn't hurt you. They said
Okay, so I'm just gonna close the door.
who's this?
Maybe Father Martin's man.
Maybe.
He looks
Oh, that's gotta be censored. That's gotta be censored.
as would
The preacher asked us not to.
You look like you've seen a ghost.
I've seen this asylum, which is a lot worse than a ghost. Oh, I'm censoring that.
Space. They'll tell you it's science. It's not. They were waiting for us. Billy understood. Always.
Oh, thank God it's done. Oh my God, thank God. Thank God, that is done. That's done. I'm not. They shove anybody? Okay, so if I go up to the windows, that stuff happens. So now. Nope, nope, nope. Close the door. Close the door. Close it. Close it. Close it. Nope. 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 Can I close this door? There's a guy right there? Nope.
Space.
Can you guys... Oh, he pushes me. Push me, bitch. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my God. So, what do you... So he just constantly goes around just banging his head on the... Me during finals. That's me during finals, right there. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Not doing it. Not doing it. Nope. Nope. I'm done. I'm done. 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 That just scared the hell out of me. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I got chores to do. I don't want. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. But if you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see me scream my freaking head off more. Then just smash that like and subscribe button and say play more Outlast, you fucking pussy. Don't add the fucking pussy part because that hurts my feelings. It really hurts. But I'm not playing this no more. I'm not. I'm done. That jump scare was enough. I'm done. It's over. Over 9,000. Alpha Wolf out. Peace.